So, appreciate you letting me have the M3 for the week. Yes. Ultimate driving machine, I think I agree. Dude, every time. Here we go, all three in the picture. This is Twin Turbo LLC right here. We got 3 cars.
Now that I'm looking at this, bro, the CS is a CS and it's sick. This thing is fire, bro.
Yeah, let's check this out. What's this, dude?
My dirty ass Jeep.
I like it.
Bro, because I go to the range. Shoot all day, fam.
Yeah.
You gotta get that trigger practice in. I hike. I like going off-roading, and I've never had that vehicle where I can just take off and just be like, bro, I can go over anything. That boulder, sure, let's do it. Curb? Oh, what curb?
I forgot you got this. I saw it on your IG stories or whatever, but I haven't seen it in person. Hey, you got the winch and everything.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. We had to go big. We gotta do this.
Yeah,
this
dude.
channel, Twin Turbo, has to go someplace.
Oh, it's going places. Dude, now we can do off-roading content.
That's what I'm saying. It is.
Yeah.
But the bigger X's.
Is your new M gonna be X-Drive if you get a new one?
It is gonna be X-Drive, I believe.
He's going all
And
with
that's
it.
actually a little teaser right there.
Okay, okay. I used to have a Jeep, bro. I had a yellow one back in high school.
Dude, Jeeps are fire.
Cool. I almost rolled that, dude.
That's how we got along.
Okay, 95K. What'd you pick this up for, man?
28.
28. Yeah, these things hold their value, dude.
So it's a little bit more of a collectible, as you could say.
Oh, so all this came like this with the white and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what this is?
Areas of the seat, yeah. Want to get a soft top?
Let's go whitewater rafting and
Oh, hell yeah. We can throw something on the top.
Oh, this is gonna be lit. Oh yeah, I get to drive the G80. Beautiful carbon. Pulling up like he's gonna go road tripping today. Making moves in the G80. So, appreciate you letting me have the M3 for the week. So, don't be jealous. Okay, so we're gonna bust out the articles of incorporation. I'm gonna make him 25% owner. He can write gas off. Oh yeah, much better. Never want to mess with a man's settings on his car, guys, but in this case I have to, because we're dealing with almost 600 horse. We are going to experience this car today. I'm gonna drive it. I love this car. This is James, the G80. Such a treat to drive. This is the M3 competition. Oh man, how do I put this thing in park? Oh yeah. P for put. Look at this, dude. Gorgeous. Got a little Bronco action. There he is.
What's good? What's good, man?
The legend.
Here's your water.
Thanks, brother.
I just love always seeing the carbon fiber.
I'm putting this thing all the way back. This is an M3. I got hella leg room. This is crazy. Dude, this thing's like done, bro. It's so fire.
So if it's all lit up, it's a manual. Yep, that's an auto now.
Oh, okay. This is a 3-liter twin turbo.
Yep.
Gotta be twin turbo.
We are actually going to be going to Fort Wayne. We're going to be looking at this new car that I am actually debating upon.
This freaking steering wheel. I'm in love with the steering wheel.
Steering wheel's fat, bro.
Dude, this thing feels like a little race car.
Wait until the bolster in this other one though, bro. Long story short, I saw from a couple offers that I was getting that I could get about $82,000 for James and get into something different for the page. A M5 would be perfect for the page.
It's like my Stinger on steroids.
The front tires are close to the limit.
What do you mean?
The tires coming Monday.
The sound. Is it pumping in any sound in the
audio? Yes, it is.
Okay, I figured it was.
Yeah, there it is.
This is ludicrous mode.
You're in ludicrous.
What's your radar detector, bro?
I haven't been using it, honestly. No, I just fly.
Your best tool is your eyes.
It really is. I'm just a aware driver. So should I tell them the exact car, or should we just wait?
I think we're gonna have to wait. It's leveled up.
Oh, it's definitely a couple levels up.
It's a couple levels up. man. They missed it. We were getting squirrely.
They did miss it.
We were getting so squirrely in this thing, bro. We pulled out.
He put it in actual manual.
We'll have to do it again. This dude.
That's up. I think I captured that
With
too.
the Christmas tree on.
It's a Christmas story over here. People are just doing it. YOLO.
Something's wrong, bro.
He is going around.
We should have just went the
I
other
think
way.
that's probably why it was trying to take us that way. Yeah, we'll definitely not be able to make content while we get there. But we will just get there just to see the car.
Just careful with these roads.
There, now you can see it up there and not shift like a girl.
Bro,
Oh, I love it. We're all a little protective of our babies.
know,
Have you realized that?
you weren't recording when I pulled out like a boss and like was getting sideways.
I recorded the best part. You having a good time, bro?
Thanks for letting me drive it.
Hey, always, fam.
Follow us on Twin Turbo.
Hey, twin turbo, baby. This is
Guys,
what.
hit that like button and keep commenting. Keep putting gas and doing mods and just cool shit and leveling up the cars and going like in the Jeep, whitewater rafting. You're gonna have fun.
You guys name it down in the comments what you want the page to do, and that's what we're going to be doing on Twin Turbo. If you guys want us to go to Colorado, we go to Colorado.
It'll be fun though. Good vibes. That's like always level up. Like, so he thinks this way too, obviously. You know, you always want to work hard in life, help people, be generous. Like, and that's like, you guys saw that reel I did with those GT3s. Imagine you and your homie having a GT3 like that, pulling it up.
Some people say the GT3, some people say this
That's
car.
The best car on the road, dude, really. Dude, this thing. Dude, this thing is sick. Twin turbo, 4L. Twin turbo V8 is the M5 though. I don't know, man.
But
imagine putting an exhaust on a V8. This sounds cool, but a V6 will always be a V6. But I mean, we live in, it's 2000, almost 2023. V6 twin turbo is like the way to go. I mean, look at Godzilla, dude. Like the Skyline, GTR. I mean, it works, right?
It
but
really does.
V8, yes. Ultimate driving machine. I think I agree. Yeah, dude, let's do that.
Never thought we would be driving on these backcountry roads that I grew up on and driving an M3.
That loves twin turbos. Like,
Oh my gosh.
We both love cars probably equally, dude. Every time I look though, there's a new line, there's a new song. Like, look at this. It's carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber on the steering wheel, guys. This steering wheel, Zoe will tell you, I go on and on and on about this is the best steering wheel I've ever felt.
It just
the
feels
carbon,
good.
the red paddle shifters, they're textile. Yeah, it just feels good. All right.
Dynamic
turbo
mode.
weather, 56.
It's 56.
This is why this thing
50 is perfect.
in the summer. This thing doesn't get near as squirrely as it has on me today, and I like this thing really wants to like break.
I
loose.
love that shirt, by the way, too, fam. That's
Thanks,
actually,
Vans, bro.
I like that fit.
Your sweatshirt matches my leather, kind of. By the way, in my car.
Oh my goodness, yeah, it does.
Could you imagine pulling up in this car in like 1950? You'd be like, oh my god, it's a spaceship.
Oh, they would think it was a spaceship.
You'd be like, what the hell is this?
Yeah, that. How do you explain this? Or that? How do you explain this? And this? Is that carbon?
Why did you do that for?
Yeah, why did you do that for?
Why did you go and do that?
Guess where we are at? Elwood.
Elwood.
Elwood, yeah. I always got pulled over here, bro.
Is that why I'm driving? Is that your
Hey, play the cards you're given, right?
I didn't know I couldn't do that.
I didn't know I couldn't do that.
Out here though, you can just go shoot guns, right? It's just a different
You can edit that shit out.
Yeah.
Just joking.
We'll laugh our ass off. So James is thirsty. I love it. Let's get some gas. All right. Dude, this is an awesome rear-wheel drive car. This is on, so. It's a freaking Fort Wayne M5 CS over here, bro. Let's go check this out. We came up here to look at this. He's considering this 2022 M5 CS. This is a special edition. It's got the carbon bits on it. It's definitely bigger, and it's this really... Oh my God, that's that V8. How that scoops in there like that. It's so much longer. Gold and gray is like so different. Look at them headlights, bro. It's kind of mean.
Very nice.
Do the honor, sir. Carbon bucket seats. I just drove the M3, so I have no bias. I love your car, but let's see. Whoa, dude, it's like you're getting in a freaking race car. Holy crap, these seats are crazy. Okay, that's all right now. Oh my gosh, though, this is so sick. Pantera, steering wheel, headliner, carbon fiber everywhere. Even on the shift paddles on the outside. Those are all carbon.
Yep.
Yeah. The only thing, yours is different. Yours has carbon right here.
Yeah, that doesn't have carbon right there, but I can get it.
M here, we got an M here, M here.
That M5
and it lights
CS.
up. Show them the seat, bro.
Yep, just like the M3.
You gotta have that. Can I see the key fob?
Hey, the lights turn yellow. Oh my gosh.
I feel like a straight bastard. All right, we got to talk this over, man. This is a big decision.
Let's go. Hey, BMW, turn off heads-up display.
I have deactivated the head-up display.
Wow, dude, I have... Dude, I have a whole new appreciation for this car. This is insane. All right, guys, so yeah, the M3 is nuts. I can't believe like how much abuse the thing can take. It takes it like a champ. So we got more videos coming. That's a front splitter just hanging out. So random. I just sold a bunch of car parts. So yeah, and let us know what else you guys want to see. We're down to make content with James, the G80. If you want to see some Jeep content, let me know. I think that'd be kind of cool. I mean, he's got a nice Jeep. Yeah, hands on an M340i. So if any of you guys are in Indianapolis, have an M340i, I'd love to come check it out. All right, until the next video, I'll catch you later. Peace.